Hello YouTube, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today's video is going to cover showing and hiding the paragraph marks in a Word document. Now, some of you are saying, hey, this is pretty easy, and you're right. If you know how to do it, it is very easy to do. But I was checking out another creator's content on Microsoft Office, and by the way, they're doing a fantastic job. But the question came up, how do you do this? And the first way is easy. The second way is a little bit more in depth. It is important that you know how to do both ways because it is an exam objective on the certification test. And so you're going to not only want to know how to do the first way, you're going to want to know how to do the second way too, because you could be asked to do either way. We're on the Microsoft Word exam page for the 2016 version of the test. And I want to go ahead and show you one of the things that you're going to be asked to do. Here in the Customize Options and Views for Documents, one of the things it's going to ask you to do is to show and hide formatting symbols. So we're going to look at that today. Here we're looking at a resume. The reason I had this file open is because there's a lot of different formatting marks that I want you to see. One of the things you're going to be asked to do is to show and hide the paragraph marks within this document. These are non-printing characters that are within your document, but they don't actually print when they're revealed. And it's an easy way to see what's going on in your document. So we're on the Home tab, we're in the Paragraph group, and what I want you to do is to go ahead and click the Show Hide button here. And notice that there's a bunch of markings that pop up on the screen. This is something that I want my students to know because on the certification test, they're going to be asked to do things like insert section breaks. And they're not going to be sure if it's been put in there or not unless they have this button on. And so the Show Hide button is a fantastic way to see what's going on in your document so you can quickly analyze what needs to change if something's wrong. This is not the only way to do this. One of the things you might be asked to do is to reveal these markings continuously, whether that button's checked or not. So what we want to do is go to the File, Options. We're going to be in the Display group. And here in this section, always show these formatting marks on screen. If I want to see the tab characters always, I can check that. Or if I want to see the paragraph marks, I can also check that. And I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Now, nothing's changed in this document because I still have this button selected. So I'm going to uncheck this. And notice that we still have our settings. We have our tabs here with our bullet points, and we also have these paragraph markings. And so it's important that you understand this exam objective because you could be asked to do it in either way.